So children, let us begin with fourth chapter, that is formatting a document. In your previous chapter, you learned how to create, edit and save the document in Word 2010. But now you will design and create attractive documents. You need to know how to format text. So what is formatting? Formatting means changing the appearance of the text. Word gives you the option of changing font size, color and style of text or paragraph in the document. You can also change the alignment of text, line spacing or listing style of the block of text in the document to make it more appealing. I'll show you further with the practical. A font is a set of letters, numbers, symbols of given size and design. Each font has a different appearance from other fonts. Fonts have names so that you can identify them, and here are some font names. See, Calibri is there, Times New Roman. Okay, these are all different fonts. You can choose and you can change the appearance of the text. So children, now let us learn how to change the font size and font color. See here, this is the text that you have typed. Okay, for this text, what you will do, I want to change the style. I don't want this. I want to change the font. So what you will do, you will select this text. See here, double click in the mouse. Like this you have to drag. So double click, left click and drag it till here. Fine, and then go to home button here. Can you see? Already it is home. When you press on home, these all font group you will get. In font group, this is the font group. Okay, in font group, let us change the style in which the text appears. See here, I'll have a drop down box. Let me change. See, after I change here, this word also will have certain changes. Okay, so let me change the font style. See here, Arial black, it looks like this. Times New Roman. The different styles are there. See here, text is changing. So whichever you want, you choose. I want Algerian text. So I'll click on this. So next is I change the style. Next, I want to change the size of these words or sentence. I want it in bigger. So I'll change it to 24. No, I want bigger than this. 25, 26, like this 36. So I'll keep it 28. So okay. See here, text was. Now we change the size of the text. Let us change the color of the text. See here. We have to click here. A drop down box will appear with different colors. Can you see? I kept blue. The text is changing with blue color. I kept red. So it is red. I want yellow. See here, yellow, green. So whatever color you want, you can change. So this is how you change font size and font color. Let me keep it blue. So see here, you got the sentence with the required font style, font size and font color. So children, this is a text that I have typed. Now let us learn what is bold, italic and underline and how to apply that. Bold means whatever text is there, this will become darker than the normal text. Let us select the text and then go to bold here. Click on bold. See here, the text got thicker than normal. Next is how to remove, again select the text and click back on bold. You can remove the thickened part. Next is what is italic. The text italicized to make it appear slanted. If I want to make it slant, so double click and drag it till here. Then click on italics. See here, the text that you typed is slightly slanted. Then if you don't want, again select the text, click back on italic, that will go off. It will become normal. See here. Next is underline. So for this text, I'll select this text. I want a line under my text. So go to underline and click on it. So see here, this is how you get the underlined text. Children, let us learn shortcut keys also. So first what I'll do, I'll select the text till here. The shortcut key for bold is press Ctrl and B together. See here, Ctrl and B together. See here, you got the thickened part. You don't want this, go back, then Ctrl Z you have to press. Similarly, I have selected the text. Now I want italic. So what I'll do, shortcut key is Ctrl plus I. Click on this. See here, you got a slanted text. Similarly, I want underline. So what I'll press now, Ctrl plus U. See here, we got underlined part. This is how you use shortcut keys. This is a text that I have typed. Now I want to highlight it. That means I want to change the colored background for a particular word or text that I have typed. So school, I want to highlight this word. So I'll select this word and then go to home tab. This is home tab. This is insert. This is page layout. I'll go to home tab. Then what I'll do, here there is a option for highlight. Click on this arrow. It's called drop down box will appear. So I want to make it yellow. See here, can you see school is getting the highlighted background as yellow. You can set green, blue, pink, whatever color you want you can choose. I'll choose yellow. So see here, the text school section, this particular word is highlighted with yellow background. This is how you apply highlighted